Good morning and welcome to Sulsel Update in English. With me, Rasni Gani. I'm bringing you to the latest news update from South Sulawesi, covering information of economic, politics, education and lifestyle. And here are some of the stories. Making the headline this morning, Hyundai electric car landed in Makassar. The Hyundai Creta, the latest type of Hyundai product from Hyundai Indonesia, has now officially sold in Makassar last week. The Hyundai Creta is available at two branches of Goa Modern Company outlets, Hyundai Urip Sumoharjo and Hyundai City Store Nipa Mall. Previously reported, Hyundai Motor Asia Pacific is planning to start manufacturing electric cars in West Java by 2022, as Indonesia plans to produce batteries for electric vehicles. The company Vice President and Chief Operation Officer Lee Kang-hyun said that EVP would be produced in Hyundai's first manufacturing center in Southeast Asia in Delta Mas, Cikarang, West Java. Residents in Makassar are enthusiastic to buy these future vehicles. Hyundai Goa has received 207 units of the early bird Hyundai Creta. It will be delivered on February 2022. The Hyundai Creta is the first model to produce in Indonesia, specially designed for the customer who are always keen to see the best side of the challenges. The car has a SmartStream G1.5 gasoline engine with intelligent variable transmission system that provides tough, responsive and efficient performance in driving. Prioritizing comfort while driving, the Hyundai Creta has 4 drive modes: Eco, Comfort, Smart and Sport, which can be adapted to the needs of Hyundai Goa customers. Hyundai Creta comes with the very innovative additional features for the present. Hyundai Creta equipped with Bose premium sound system, wireless smart charger, center arms with air purifier that will keep the air clean, and many other advantages. Hyundai Creta. The Hyundai Creta is also already stocked to Hyundai Goa branches, especially in Makassar, so that the customer can immediately bring home the Hyundai Creta that they have chosen without waiting too long. The following reports contain disturbing images. Parents carrying the dead using motorbike. Unable to pay the ambulance, the parents took the baby's corpse on a motorbike this Wednesday. This happened at Datu Pancaitana General Hospital, Bone Regency, South Sulawesi. Parents brought their child dead body to Sinjai Regency, 100 kilometers away. The parents traveled 2 hours and 20 minutes. This incident immediately went viral in social media. The director of Datu Pancaitana Bone Hospital, Samshir, apologized for the incident. He continued, said that he sent 3 midwives and 2 nurses directly to the funeral home in Sinjai. It guarantees that it will work according to the applicable system. Furthermore, Samshir took steps to not the driver only deliver according to the patient's destination. According to Samshir, the distance calculation and ambulance rental are 4,000 rupiah per kilometer.
Dari kota tersebut Pancai Tanah Bone. Rumah sakit Pancai Tanah Bone. Dan saat ini rumah duka dikunjungi langsung oleh Bupati Sinjai, mana Wakil Bupati Sinjai Andi Kartini Otong. Ini yang berbaju biru adalah Asdar, orang tua yang membonceng bayinya, jenazah bayinya pakai motor, sepeda motor dari Kabupaten Bone. Ini warga tetangga di kampung ini, tetangga Asdar sedang menanyakan kabar tentang peristiwa tersebut sehingga bisa diangkut melalui sepeda motor. Mereka tidak diberikan mobil ambulans karena mobil ambulans dari rumah sakit Pancai Tanah tersebut harus dibayar dengan seharga 700.000, sementara Asdar pada saat itu hanya memiliki dana uang di kantongnya hanya 500.000 rupiah, sehingga karena tidak memiliki dana sebesar itu, oleh Asdar memilih mengangkut membonceng jenazah bayinya dengan menggunakan sepeda motor, dibantu dengan seorang kakaknya bernama Agus, dengan menempuh 7 km dari ibu kota Kabupaten Bone ke Kampung Batu Lapak, Kecamatan Sinjai Timur, Kabupaten Sinjai ini. Dan ini dikunjungi langsung oleh Ibu Wakil Bupati Sinjai Andi Kartini Otong terkait peristiwa yang baru saja dialami Asdar. Sementara saat ini ibu istri Asdar masih menjalani perawatan di rumah ini pasca disesar melahirkan bayi yang meninggal tersebut. Tadi pagi pemirsa sudah pihak manajemen rumah sakit Pancai Tanah sudah berkunjung ke tempat ini meminta maaf atas peristiwa yang terjadi, karena menurut mereka itu di luar pengetahuan mereka, melainkan hanya keputusan.
They will not fire the driver in questions. This ambulance driver worked as an honorary worker at Datu Pancai Tanah Hospital. After being traced, the transportation budget at the Datu Pancai Tanah Hospital is quite small. The cost of transportation in a year is only 69 million rupiahs. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com or watching our YouTube channel Tribun Timur. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day. This has been Rasni Gani.